Hi everyone. Today I am going to teach you Geography Chapter 1 Resources. As you know, in my previous video I have explained resources. So today we will continue the same topic. Okay, resources. So water, electricity, rickshaw, vegetables and textbook have something in common. What is that? That is utility. Okay, that is utility. They have all been used by you. So they have utility. Utility or usability is what makes an object or substance a resource. It means any object when it is usable or it comes under utilization is called resource. Okay, then Raju asked, how does something become a resource? Okay, Amma told, things become resources only when they have a value. Okay, when they have a value. Its uses or utility gives a value, and when something has a value and it comes under utility, okay, it comes under utility, that is resource. All resources have some value. Okay, value means worth. Value means worth means something which is usable and important. Okay, value means worth. Worth means उपयोग में आए जाने वाले चीज. Okay, after that Amma told some resources have economic value. Okay, some resources have economic value and some do not have economic value. For example, metals. Metals may have economic value. Okay, we can buy it with money. Okay, like silver, gold, and other metals. But if we will talk about beautiful landscape, okay, beautiful landscape, they do not have economic value. Like if we will go to park, okay, if we will go to beautiful park, landscape, okay, beautiful garden, okay, they do not have economic value, but it is a part of resource only. Why? Okay, why? Because they satisfy human needs. Okay, both are important and satisfy human needs. Okay, after that, Amma said some resources become economically valuable with time. Okay, suppose if your grandmother home remedies have, okay, uh, if your grandmother's home remedies have no commercial value today, but if they are patented, okay, patented means right invention or idea. If they are patented and sold, okay, sold by a medical firm tomorrow, they could become economically valuable. Understood the meaning of patent? Patent means invention or idea. Understood, students? Okay. So, next topic I will explain in my next video. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care. Thank you.